Hi friends, restaurants and food outlets are common place where we used to visit most often. And every restaurant has menu and food ordering system. Maybe manual, but yes, menus are there where we can find our desired food and order the food to that particular outlet. At Digician, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which you can start a digital business in very less expenditure, mostly below $100, and start earning online. And it is going to be a permanent solution for you if you are really working on the system in a dedicated manner. And I am sure when you are watching this video, you are willing to have an additional source of income for you in, in form of a digital business. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss and explore a solution through which you can offer a solution at SaaS model in a SaaS model to restaurants and food outlets to offer QR code for ordering the food. So I'm going to show you all these things, how the system is going to work, and it is going to be a very fruitful solution for every restaurants and food outlets. And through this solution, the restaurant will keep a QR code rather than placing a big menu or manifold menu or printed menu at their tables, and the customers are going to order from that particular menu, and order is going to be placed manually. This solution will replace all this thing, and simply the visitor and the customer will visit the food outlet and scan a QR code and order the food through the app connected with that. It is not like app. The QR code will open the menu of that particular restaurant, and the food can be ordered directly through that system that is I'm going to show you. So this is a food ordering system, and what we are going to target in this video, we are going to set up a digital business. We are going to explore how we can set up a digital business, of course, and the application will bring a solution that can offer a QR code menu maker for restaurants and even restaurant point of sale. And the solution is broadly known as QR code restaurant menu maker and contactless table ordering system with restaurant POS. And as I can calculate, the solution can be availed below $100, again in $70 in my calculation. Okay, so let us explore the solution, and I'm going to show you all the screens. First of all, this is super admin screen. You are the super admin. Assume yourself as the super admin and the owner of this solution. Let us see how it works. So this is dashboard, and dashboard is showing what is going inside the system in summary in a short view. And there are many options in the solution. First of all, we can explore the basic settings through which we are going to onboard on the system. So what is the solution? You are going to have this solution for your client and selling this solution as SaaS model to restaurants and food outlets. And you are configuring all this for that particular restaurants or multiple restaurants even. And the restaurant's owner will use the system for ordering and generating the QR code and all such things. So this is the basic setting where we have to put the basic details, like this is the restaurant name and the company name, and the site is basically for the setting up basic things like currency we can set here, and you can select any currency. If it is in India, it can be rupee, or you can set basic things through this screen. Further, the branches, if it is a mini branch restaurant or food outlet, you can set the branches. You are doing all these things as a super admin, and I'll show you the other screen or other screens as well, through which the restaurant owners are going to maintain their solution. So similarly, you have to set up the mail, OTP, like OTP type can be SMS or email, just for security reasons. Notification can be set like Firebase security, and the notification alerts. So alerts can be configured here. Admin and branch manager new order messages can be set up here, either through mails or SMS or push notifications. So it is going to be a very good solution, because once the restaurant owner receives any order, it will be notified directly through the mail or SMS or post notification. Similarly, analytics, Google Analytics can be configured here, and the theme that can be selected here, like the front end theme and how it is looking for. So it is a total white label solution. You can have this for your own or for your client. Currencies, you can decide for multiple currency or a single currency, you can set here. Similarly, the item categories like beverage and the side orders, juice scoops. So these are the item categories. You can create as many as item categories you want, so that the item and the food items can be grouped in a category, and the visitors and the customers can identify the food items in a category. Item attributes are here, so that the system may identify the item like this is vegetarian or vegetarian, or choose a filling or stick temperature, whatever. So you can create at your own. Taxes can be set here as applicable for your country, your region, like GST can be 2 labels, or VAT can be 2 or 3 labels. You can add tax as required, so you can keep it active or inactive as per your requirement. Pages can be set here like front end. For the front end, so the system also offers a front end page for showing the basic things. So you can decide the page, and you can add new page like thing. And the front end, like this is the front end I am going to show you. This is the front end of, and there is only one thing. The QR code is here at the front end, and further you can decide all these things. At next, role and permissions, you can decide what areas and what are the permissions you want to offer to the customers and the admins, or even waiters, chef, or the branch manager. So it is totally configurable. Like this is permission for admin. Admin can do everything. Of course, it is very clear. And admin can decide the dining table, POS orders, and all such things. And admin can update and delete the things. Similarly, you can decide other roles and permissions depending on the users and their requirements. So you can add a new role and decide the permissions accordingly. So some permissions are by default, and you can change those permissions as well. Language, you can set SMS gateway you can use for pushing the SMS, like Twilio and the Checktail, Nexmo, and the more gateways are also here, just in case if you want to configure the SMS. So you can use this screen for payment gateway is another important thing through which you are going to connect the payment, since it is online food ordering system as well, along with the QR code menu. So you can set the PayPal payment system. Stripe is commonly used worldwide. PayPal is also very good, but it doesn't work in India. Stripe works here in India, and if it is in other countries, it can work fine. Flutterwave and more gateways are here, just in case if you are willing to have more solutions, like prominently Razorpay in India. Paytm is very popular, Razorpay, and other solution like PhonePe is also available here. So you can just place the basic credentials of PhonePe or Paytm. The payment gateway will be activated in your system, and this is the license for which you have to buy, of course. So you need to have this license key, and the solution is readily available at the Code Canyon. So it is really very cool, and you are going to use this solution without any technical knowledge. So don't worry for that. Now I'm coming back to the dashboard, and I'll show you the rest of the screens. Like, first of all, for a restaurant, the food items are important. So you can add as many food items as you need for your restaurant or that particular restaurant. So the items can be added here. Item, price, category can be set, tax, and the item type, veg, non-veg, if featured items active or inactive. Okay, that is fine. And even description can be added here. So this is the main thing that is to be done very first time for showing the item at the menu. And just like the item shown on food menu, it will be added here, and it is unlimited. And the best thing is that you don't need to print again and again, because a restaurant owner can, if the price goes change, the restaurant owner has to print the menu again. So it is not like that. This is digital system, so it is really very simple to do all these things. You can maintain the pricing anytime. It can be changed like this. If it is a soda, the price can be changed anytime, and it will be reflected on the real time basis. Further, dining tables are here, and since it is a restaurant ordering system as well, you have to set the dining tables, how many covers are there, how many dining tables are here. And again, it can be set like table 2, and the size can accommodate that on that table. Active, inactive options are here. POS. This is the main thing, and the menus and items are very commonly available. Like POS is the restaurant counter manager. It is being used by the restaurant counter manager. Like for example, I am here and you are the restaurant manager, or the taking the order at point of sale, and the customer comes, and you can simply click on the add button, and it can be added to cart, and the billing will be start. Since it can be simply added, quantity can be increased or decreased, and it will be added to the cart without any trouble. So the billing will be generated and order can be prepared like this. It is very simple and easy to use interface, and simply once the item gets added at the system, it can be simply used for printing the invoice or processing the order. Yes, it is really very, very, very important thing and very cool. And further, POS orders, how many items has been ordered and what are the order status can be seen here, and the order status, by whom it has been ordered, what has been done, paid or accept the orders, processing or delivered the orders. So status can be changed, add the food ordering status, and invoice can be printed without any trouble. So if it is for a delivery item, it can be printed or shared with the customer. Similarly, table orders can be handled from this screen, and this screen for handling the table orders, and token can be added, token number, and the unpaid orders or the accept, processing, delivered, and the printed invoice option is again here if it is in dining options. So printed invoice is here. Now, since it is a restaurant, offers can run, and you can add new offers to the restaurant for the pricing for the items, and this is the offer name. You can run new offers and you can keep it active or inactive, so that it may be seen by the customers and order takers. Administrators, you can decide customers will be registered here. It is nice. You can have a customer base, and you can run your promotion for your regular customers or even for new customers. So the customer database will be collected here. Employees who are going to use the system, and the transaction, what has been made in the system, how many orders, what is the income. Sales report is another thing that can be generated anytime, and it is a very good thing that can be used by the restaurant owner, and the sales report can be exported as well in the print or XLMS format. So this is the sales report. Further, the items report, like category, like how many items are active in the system, how many items are running in the restaurants, and what are the items available. So further, this is the reporting. Credit balance report, this is also a reporting format and setting I have already shown you. So this was the complete interaction, the overview of the super admin who is going to own the solution. Now I'm going to show you another screen that can be of branch manager, and even I'll show you the POS and all. Just watch this video until end. Now this screen shows the branch manager. So the restaurant manager might be a multi-branch restaurant. So this is one of the branch manager who is logged in. So dashboard is showing again the things, and the branch manager can check the feature items, the items Dining tables can be seen. POS again is here. So the branch manager, of course, can take new orders as well. And even the POS operator will take order. I'll show you that screen as well. So this is very, very, again, I am willing to show you, this is very interactive model, and this really works very fine. I have seen in my experience. So this system is being used widely throughout the restaurants nowadays. And you can simply assume just a QR code scan gives all this privilege, and it is the complete automation to the restaurant ordering system. This is contactless QR code ordering system. This is really very good. And again, this is order. So now the branch manager can check the POS orders, table orders, customers can be seen, employees, transaction, and sales report. This is basically a part of admin access. And as I shown, the permissions can be changed for branch manager or even POS operators by the super admin. So super admin can control everything. And this is the simplest screen for POS operator, the person who is taking orders, and he or she is simply taking orders, nothing else. So he has nothing to do, just taking orders, selling more and more. And this is dashboard for the POS manager. And this is POS screen, and so through which the ordering system can be used. And again, this is the customer type, and the customer can be added here. Like this is the customer name. You might be thinking where customer is to be added. Edit totally the choice. Either customer can be added or order can be processed directly. So if it is added, the name and details will be visible on the bill as well. So, and this is POS orders and the POS screen. So this is a complete system. And again, I am repeating how it is going to work. Assume a QR code is placed at the restaurant, and the visitors are just scanning the QR code. And you might be wondering where you will get the QR code. This is the front-end screen, and this is the solution. And this is the front-end screen. You can scan this code at your own. I'm going to add all the relevant links in the video description itself. This is the QR code which is going to be scanned by the visitors. And if it is not a QR code, it is like restaurant POS system I have already shown you. So the admin will set all the details I have already shown you. And once all is set, the front end website will be here, some sort of website you can say, and the QR code will be generated automatically. You can print this QR code and put it on every table, and you can check this QR code, scan this at your mobile and feel how it works. And even if it is not a QR code scanner, you can use this solution for automation of food ordering, restaurant ordering system through the a simple interface, POS, at least restaurant POS you can say. So I believe this is going to be a very good solution that you can offer to your prospective clients of restaurant owners and the food outlets and food managers everywhere wherever it is required. And it is going to work fine every time when you are offering the solution, because it is very simple to install and easy to use, and it works very fine and also collects the payments. Just in case if it is paid order, you can have the online payment, and you can even set this system for connecting the payment directly at the restaurant or food outlet. So it is a complete solution, and I believe this is going to be a very wonderful solution that you can use as a SaaS, and you are going to use the solution. If you have any question, you can write in the comment section of this video. And if you want to have this solution ready to use, we are going to help you. Just write in the comment section, we can get in touch, and we are going to install this solution for you. And as I said, the expense is very less. The complete solution is available at Code Canyon through the video description link, and the solution name is Food Scan. This is QR code restaurant menu maker and contactless table ordering system with restaurant POS, and it is available just for $39 as of now. And you can simply follow the video description link. It is being regularly updated, so don't worry about the code quality. Everything is checked at our end. You can simply start using this solution. And this is the this is idea how it is going to work. This is QR code and this is the backend. Scan the QR code. You can scan the QR code at your own and understand how the system is going to work for you or your prospective customers. So as I said, you just need to buy the solution for $39 through video description link. We are going to help you in configuring all these things. You need to have a domain name, of course, and basic hosting that can be used for the onboarding the system. So get in touch with us just in case, and you can start at your own. And I'll show you the solution as well, what you are going to get at the Code Canyon. So let me show you the folder that you are going to receive. In the download folder, you are going to get this source code and the documentation link. So you can simply read all the documentation, how you can onboard on the system and start creating at your own. This is going to be a wonderful automated food ordering system for restaurants and food outlets. Thanks for watching. Keep building. Thank you.